Every piece of bubblegum begins with the humble sugarcane, harvested from lush fields under the morning sun. Modern machinery harvests sugarcane efficiently, preparing the raw material for the factory.
The freshly cut cane is transported immediately, preserving its quality. Flavors are sourced carefully to create the signature taste of every bubblegum.
Flavors are blended evenly, ensuring consistent taste in every piece.
Colors bring bubblegum to life, making it playful and appealing.
Every ingredient undergoes rigorous quality checks before production begins. Materials are transported to the mixing area, ready for the next stage. Sugar is pulverized to ensure smooth blending with the gum base.
The gum base is heated carefully to prepare for flavor and color infusion.
Samples are tested for texture and consistency, guaranteeing a perfect chew. Trucks arrive carrying sugar, gum base, flavors, and colors for processing.
Materials are unloaded systematically, ready for sorting and inspection.
Sorted ingredients are stored in silos, awaiting the mixing phase.
Precision weighing ensures every batch of bubblegum has consistent flavor and texture.
Engineers monitor conveyor speed to maintain perfect flow throughout the factory.
Every batch undergoes a secondary quality check to catch imperfections early.
Automated systems ensure only the best ingredients continue to production. Sorted and verified ingredients merge seamlessly into the main production line. Now prepared, ingredients are ready for the transformative mixing process. Temperature is carefully monitored to maintain the gum's perfect consistency.
Every batch is tested for stretch and elasticity, ensuring quality.
Air pockets are removed to give bubblegum its smooth, uniform texture. The gum mass is transported to extrusion machines, where shaping begins.
Rolling machines create uniform sheets, preparing gum for cutting.
Steam adds moisture control, ensuring sheets remain pliable. Sheets are cooled gradually to preserve texture and prevent stickiness. Before shaping begins, the sheet is calibrated with laser precision. Even microscopic differences are corrected in real time. For layered varieties, multiple sheets are combined. Precision pressure bonds them into a seamless structure. Final compression strengthens internal consistency. Controlled pressure ensures uniform chew resistance in every piece. Industrial cutters divide the sheet with millisecond accuracy. Each strip maintains identical dimensions. Advanced machines sort ingredients to ensure only top-quality components proceed. Pellet gum varieties pass through shaping drums. Movement gradually rounds sharp edges into smooth forms.
Cooling stabilizes texture and structure. Controlled airflow prevents deformation.
Polishing enhances smoothness and visual appeal. The surface becomes uniform and refined.
Robotic systems organize each piece with exact spacing. Alignment prepares them for final inspection.
Advanced vision systems confirm size and symmetry. Only perfectly formed pieces continue forward.
A protective coating ensures pieces remain separate. This step guarantees efficient automated handling.
Hoppers feed materials into the mixing machines smoothly and efficiently.
Infrared scanners verify density and internal uniformity. Every piece must meet exact structural standards.
For coated varieties, layers are added gradually. Each rotation strengthens the glossy outer shell.
Between coating cycles, warm air stabilizes each layer. Controlled drying prevents cracks and uneven surfaces. Surface refinement enhances smoothness. The gum achieves its final tactile quality. Humidity levels are precisely regulated. Proper moisture balance ensures ideal chew texture. Humidity levels are precisely regulated. Proper moisture balance ensures ideal chew texture. Each piece is positioned with millimeter precision. The structure is complete, and packaging is next. Gum pieces are individually wrapped with precision. Automated systems ensure each piece is sealed perfectly for freshness. Random samples undergo structural testing. Elastic response must fall within strict parameters. Even discarded packs are logged digitally. Complete traceability guarantees production integrity. Sealed wrappers preserve freshness and flavor. Controlled heat ensures airtight packaging. Final visual checks confirm uniformity and presentation. Only perfect products proceed to finishing. Each pack receives accurate labeling. This ensures traceability and retail readiness.
Finished packs converge seamlessly. The factory achieves full line efficiency.
Laser scanners verify the uniformity of each pack. Even the tiniest misalignment is detected and corrected instantly. Any defect triggers immediate rejection. Automation keeps production flawless and hygienic. Operators monitor quality in real time. Instant alerts allow immediate correction of any deviation. Moisture and texture are tested to meet exact standards. Perfect chewiness is maintained in every batch. Random flavor verification ensures taste consistency. Each piece delivers the expected sensory experience. Even discarded packs are logged digitally. Complete traceability guarantees production integrity.
Final stress simulations ensure products survive handling. Only flawless pallets continue to the finishing phase.
Every pallet must pass the final clearance. Only products meeting every quality standard proceed.